Yes, ma'am. So we are meeting first time. So I want to introduce myself because we must know about each other.
Yes.
So, ma'am, as you know, my name is Chandrakala and I am from Chhattisgarh. And as far as my studies concerned, I am a college student as well as I teach in private school. And I have my YouTube channel. That's all about me.
Wow, it's nice. Okay. I ask you like told me you teaching. You are teacher.
Yes, yes. I
So
teach in private.
so what you teach? English?
Yes, I teach English and mathematics subject because both are my favorite subject. And I only for learning purpose I teach there in English subject. And
Oh,
my subject is math.
okay. So how's helpful to you for teaching? What you get?
Yes. I want to learn English language. I teach there, and sometimes when I teach English language, I feel that what kind of things I need to learn for increasing my vocabulary, for increasing my communication skills. So these kind of things I get
Okay. So
since when I am going to I have been going to school for teaching purpose.
you get lots of things how you knows there how to get vocabs each and everything. So can you share that technique so we get like idea to
Yes,
think
yes.
English and vocabulary also.
Yes, whenever I teach their English subject, I read English lessons, and whenever I read English lessons, some words I cannot understand. So I underline and I note down those words, and some after that I search on Google that words, then I get meaning. So this kind of things I do.
Yeah, I also do this. You know, while teaching my kids, lots of word meaning I don't know. So that time I go Google and search, and then again I read chapters. So we get lots of yeah
And
and
sometimes I try to translate those all things in my words and whatever I know, and that meaning I don't know, I search on Google.
okay. Yeah, it's
Yes.
very. I also do like this. I also do like this. Okay, so you told me you have YouTube channel. So how type video you made like solo video or conversation video you upload there?
I sometimes I upload conversation video and solo videos. Not I don't upload much conversation, many conversation videos. I just upload only methods of learning English language, and I speak with myself and then I upload.
Yes.
Okay,
Mhm.
ma'am. So I have question that I want to ask you. So, ma'am, my first question is: you are a housewife.
Yes.
So, what is the reason of learning English language?
My kids, you know, in my home, no one is knows very well English. So at that time, when my elder son started going to school, at that time I faced lots of problem how to teach because I didn't know how to write and read each and everything. So at that time, I started learning English, reading and writing each everything.
Means
And
you are learning this language for teaching your kids.
yes,
Yes. It is important that if we have children and if they are in English medium, but if we don't know English language, so we must know about this language so that we teach them.
teach them very easily. And you know, no one have enough time. If I send to tuition, so no one have enough time. They understand. They make understand my kids. So if I
Yes.
know that language and that subject very well, so I teach very easily.
Yes. And
And lots of time, like these days not too much because I am little YouTuber, so sometimes I have to make video and upload and blah blah. But in initially days, I have lots of time, so I won't just use my time. What I do, I am a very like fond of to learn new things. So I think
okay.
okay, I should learn this thing. I should learn this language.
We must do we every time we must learn something new if we have time, so it is very good for us. So, ma'am, as you told that you are from MP, so do you
Yes.
know
Hmm?
Ajay, sir? Ajay, do you know?
Ajay,
Yes, yes. He teach English.
I watch YouTube video and yeah, I knows very well. For grammar practice, I also I follow him.
So, ma'am, where do you live in MP?
Riva.
Riva.
Yes.
Okay. So both are the state. How far both are the states?
It's
Both are
very
the. Sorry.
very. I don't know. I never went Riva, but it's like I think too far because Riva nearby Katni, Jabalpur. It's nearby to Riva and Allahabad. But I never went there. I think it's far.
Okay, okay. I know Ajay sir, and I watched the video, so that I asked you.
You know, I learn tenses and each and everything from Ajay sir.
Yes, yes. His technique of teaching is very fantastic, and he practice every learners for 10 minutes. So this is the things that I always like,
Yes.
and I always want to practice.
There in on YouTube there are lots of teachers. They teach very good because whenever
Yes,
we seen their video and pop up their video, so we touch and we watch full video. we like I never script. Like if I start one video, so I watch a whole video, then I
yes,
skip. So we get knowledge from them video. Lots of like if we watch one video, so we get anything there.
yes, yes.